Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company WRRK Work, and they're looking for a chat and email customer support representative. It pays $11.50 to $13 an hour. This is a 100% remote position and the benefits include full medical, dental, vision, life, and 401k. The hourly range is $11.50 to $13 an hour. After 9 months of employment, you will be eligible for a merit increase based on metrics and performance. About work, we believe customers should not only love a particular brand, but also the customer service behind it. A chief priority of ours is to provide exceptional support that is truly incomparable. In doing so, we drive results, achieve metrics, and earn our reputation as a top-tier support team for e-commerce brands. We're currently looking for remote chat and email customer support representatives to join our remote community. Start an application and become pre-qualified for new opportunities. As a member of our team, you will collaborate with other team members to provide dependable and empathic support that represents our values and those espoused by our clients. We value your input and encourage you to contribute ideas for the improvement of our daily operations and customer-centered goals. As your support end users and navigate various operating systems and software, we support you. What we can expect from you: exceptional sense of professionalism in customer interaction and work presence, excellent verbal and written communication skills with strong attention to detail and grammar, strong data entry and typing skills, confidence and proven ability to provide customer support via phone, email, and chat platforms, good judgment and decision making in accordance with policies and procedures, well-rounded technology capability and reliable internet connection to ensure all systems, both hardware and software, are functioning properly, access to a dedicated quiet workspace. What can you expect from us? A positive and progressive organization culture built on valuing and empowering all employees, team leads and managers that support and help cultivate your individual career interest, an open, safe space to offer and implement new ideas to improve our operational processes, opportunities to learn e-commerce skills that can be used in entrepreneurial capacity, flexibility that comes from working remotely, paid training, set schedules 40 hours a week with flexible shifts available, career advancement opportunities, W-2 employment. This is for U.S. applicants only, must reside in either Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Louisiana, Missouri, North Carolina, Nebraska, Nevada, Ohio, Tennessee, Texas, or Virginia. Full-time availability is required, $11.50 per hour, paid weekly. No Chromebooks or tablets, must have a PC or Mac. Some other benefits include 401k, dental, life, and vision and health insurance, work from home, paid training, 401k, and flexible schedule. Schedule is day shift, evening shift, holiday Monday through Friday, overtime with some weekly availability, and education, some high school or equivalent required. If you feel like you're the perfect fit for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, just subscribe to this channel because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day and you find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.